So today I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp AI assistant on Android, and that's the Meta AI on WhatsApp. How to use it. Take for example, you have like a very quick question you want to ask AI. Very fast and simple way to do it on WhatsApp is you look at this search icon, you click on it, then whatever it is you want to ask. Take for example, ask who is the current who is the current NBA MVP. MVP. So after typing whatever you want to ask it, you just click on this ask that is beside it. When you click on it, it takes you to the chat you've had with Meta AI before. You can see it's thinking. You can see it has given the answer. It has given the answer that this is the current NBA MVP. So that's how to use the Meta AI on WhatsApp. Thank you very much.